Yeah. Hi guys, first of all, please let me open this window. The heat today, unreal. Anyway, fit check. I did a video. This is my bag for today. Had this Gucci bag. I don't think I can show you my shoes from there. I'm going to have to take it off. Hallelujah. So my shoes for today, shoes are from Shein. I feel so exhausted. Guess what? My fan battery ran out. Like, I have used it so much, the battery ran out. And I didn't take the manual one, this fan. And I didn't take this one with me. It would have done, oh man, it would have done justice. I hope you can hear me. This wind is not interfering with my audio. I can't wait to yank this wig off, but content must content. Jehovah live. Time is fast spent, and the energy to make food today is 0 to none. 0 to none. I feel like eating like jollof rice. I feel like eating jollof rice, but it's going to have to be a few minutes from now before I'm able to cook that. How's everyone? How's your Sunday been? I hope you went to church. This dress is from Shein. I think I've had it for about 2 years now, and this is probably my second time wearing it. Probably my second or third time wearing it, I'm not sure. But it has this belt that, you know, just gives you a bit of silhouette on there. The belt is inside. Well, it's not like a belt, but it's like, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, it's sort of an invisible belt. It's sewn into the fabric inside, so you just tie that to give you a bit of silhouette. And the fabric itself is sort of like mercury, so it glistens. It really glistens, and I just love it. Anyway, it's time to change into more appropriate attire for this weather. We even thank God that the sun has gone away small. This sun reached your side. Yeah. It's so hot. So hot. It's unbelievable. Anyway, the neighborhood children are not even around. Like, I can hardly hear a child in the streets, which is very unusual. And that's because of this heat. For jewelry, I have this ring I got from Shein. Really lovely. These two are from Shein, from a recent collaboration. Bangles as well, from Shein. My earrings are LV, as well as my chain, or my necklace. My necklace is also from LV. I think it's from Babala Bags, I'm not sure. I have one Van Cleef here, and Faith O'John's bracelet and the ring on there. So yeah, that just makes up my jewelry for the day. I'm keeping it simple. So last week Sunday, I attempted to unbox this bag, and because I was in such a rush, I couldn't finish the unboxing. So let's finish it. This box has just been lying on the side there, half unboxed, and I just decided not to touch it for the whole week till it's another Sunday. Very bad. Anyway, this is from my friend from Coeebag. Sent me this bag, this Bottega bag, and let's unbox it. Finally, eventually. It comes in its own dust bag. You also get a carry-on there as well. Oh, such a cute bag. It has some gold hardware on the sides. This is what the insides look like. Apology, I'm in front of a window, so cars are moving up and down even in this very heat. So it's just a pouch. It has no internal compartments, like nothing extra, but it's just a very lovely pouch. And I just love the fact that, you know, I just love the bag. I just love the pouch. It's quite similar to the bag I carried last week, which is the woven rattan bag. But yeah, this is what this one is. It's just like a throw it all in, you'll find it when you find it kind of purse. And yeah, I really love it. It's crested on the inside there. I hope you can see that. So yeah, that is what it is. To tell you how much you can carry, I'm just going to stuff my shoes from today into the bag. It's not practical, but the sun has touched my head, so let's just go walk with me. Shoes go in there. That's basically how you carry it, and it's really nice. I love it. I love how simple, practical, and just elegant it looks and feels. So yeah, bow tiger. They also threw in a gift. It's a Tiffany necklace. It's stunning. That's what it looks like. It is gold, has some stones on there, and I love it. Thank you to my friends over at Coe. They have amazing stuff. Anyway, I am still going to make jollof rice because even though I'm tired, a part of me will not rest easy until I know my family has food to eat. Anyway, you guys, I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Oh, we stopped by at the African shop, and here is proof. Chips. The British call this crisps, but yeah, please read with me. Maybe I'm the one that did not understand English. Chips, plantain chips. You guys, I'll catch up with you in the course of the vlog.
So I don't know if you guys know about this drink or not, but someone put me on to this drink after church, and I got this Don Simon smoothie. This is their mango and passion fruit blend, and when I tell you guys that this thing, it slapped. I'm fast forwarding to one actual Sunday when I actually had food that I didn't have to cook. So this is not that continuation from that day, but this juice paired well with this fried rice. You guys, this was after church rice, and this combination slapped. When I tell you guys that this was a combo made in heaven, take me on that. So that juice, you can get it in Iceland if you're looking for it, but it's definitely worth trying out. Anyway, you guys, I am launching my business tomorrow, which is the 27th of July 2026. So if you are seeing this video anytime, just know that we are open for business. We are taking orders. You can scan the QR code that you see on your screen here, and please place your orders. Keep me busy, you guys, keep me busy. Check out the website. We have a ton of earrings and accessories that you can check out, and we will be introducing more products as the weeks go by. So please follow my YouTube channel as well. We're also active on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and yeah, Pinterest as well. So please check us out. We will be in your faces, putting out new content from time to time. And thank you to everyone who has engaged even without me asking. You have found my page, you are liking, you are interacting, you are reposting. Thank you so much. God bless you. My heart blesses you. And yes, I hope to see you guys. Your names pop up on the store. This is a full Shopify store. So yes, we are live right now, and we are looking to take your orders anytime soon. So please look out for that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.